So then, some soon after, Paris was occupied, and we had to pledge allegiance to this new government, Vichy, because Pétain, Marshal Pétain, he got along with the Germans, but he was officially the head of France. And we had to say these things with our hand on our breast, and we had to write him letters, and he wrote us letters, and I had it for a long time, because people like to see these old things, but can't find it. And one day I came home from school, and these counselors were crying, and they weren't the crying kind, and I knew why, because they said France fell, and they were really patriotic. So pretty soon after that, this woman who took me to the Girl Scout, she took me to a little restaurant with her daughter, and she said, I have something to tell you. If something happens to your mother, I'll be your mother. And instead of saying, oh, that's very kind of you, I appreciate it, I said, sort of, who do you think the hell you are? I was very, very angry at her.